G'day. My name's Nathan Lindsell, and welcome to episode number 57 of The Fine Art of Distraction. So, on today's episode, it's actually pretty special. I've been invited to be part of the Pouring with the Fellas collaboration. Yee-hoo! You! And I tell you what, I'm absolutely honoured and thrilled to be part of this awesome collaboration. So I just want to send out a special thanks to David Haskell from DRH Acrylic Creations for inviting me to this awesome lineup. So Dave, thank you so much. Right before me was Jeremy and Lee from the Massey Art Studios. And I'll tell you what, they always deliver. Everything that they do is absolutely gold. So if you missed them, make sure you go back and check them out. And actually, I'll tell you what, make sure you check out the rest of the collaboration because every single artist on this collab is awesome. And right after me is my Aussie mate, Mitchell Grimmer. And I'll tell you what, I'll give you a little hint. He's actually better than me. So you have to go and watch him. No, but seriously, he's awesome. So do yourself a favor, stick around and watch Mitch straight after me. So today what I've decided to do, I've decided to combine two of my favorite sort of pours. I love doing Nebula Galaxy pours and I love doing open cups. So I've decided to do an open cup Nebula pour. You! Alrighty guys, now that I've told you what I'm going to be doing today, let's head over to the table. I'll show you what products I'm going to be using and then let's make these hands dirty, shall we? You! Thanks guys. Alrighty then, so here's all the products we're going to be using today. And look, neon pigments, you! Now this is actually the first time I'm using Health of Mind Art neon pigments because they're actually a brand new product for Health of Mind Art. I've been using Health of Mind Art since before I started my channel and I absolutely love them. And when I saw that they had neons available, I was like, add to cart. The colours that we've got are UV Yellow, Fuji Red, Neon Pink, Purple Rain, Beach Blue, and Zinc Green. Now, as I said, these are all neons, but Health of Mind Art don't have an orange just yet. So basically what I did, I got 5 parts of the UV Yellow and 1.5 parts of the Fuji Red, and that's what I mixed to get the orange that you'll see shortly. I mixed these pigments as if they were a cell activator. So basically, I mixed 60 mils of Aussie Floetrol to 15 mils of the Liquitex matte gel. And then I added more Aussie Floetrol just to get the consistency all the same. The base coat that I'm going to be using today is actually British Paints Exterior Low Sheen in black. And I've also got my trusty blowtorch here to get rid of any air bubbles that pop up. And I've also got the open cups here. I'm going to be doing 3 open cups on a 24-inch by 24-inch gallery wrapped canvas. Alright guys, now that I've showed you what products I'm going to be using, let's head over to the spinner box and then let's get my hands dirty. You! Thanks guys. Alrighty, and we're back and we've got all our pigments mixed and ready to rock and roll. And I've also got my black light just sitting here ready to also to rock. I'm going to turn that on at the end so you can see it all lit up. But what I'll do, I'll just quickly turn the main light off just so you can see them illuminated in their tubs. How awesome does that look? You! Now, I'm not too sure why this is, but the purple and the blue, out of all of the neon pigments that I've used and all of the fluorescent paints that I've used, the purple and the blue are always really dull. Now, I'm hoping someone in the comment section can actually inform me why that is, because I would absolutely love to know. Alrighty, so now the order that I've got the pigments sort of lined up here is actually the order that I'm going to sort of pour them into the open cups. So basically, I'm going to start with yellow, then go to orange, red, pink, purple, blue, green. And because we're finishing on green, I can then go back and start with the yellow and start that whole process again. So it's like, whoop, whoop. And I plan on going through twice. I've probably mixed up way too much pigments, but hey, they're neons. I love neons, so they're not going to go to waste. Phew. All right, so I'll clear off all of this, and then yeah, we'll get into it. Thanks, guys. I'll just do a quick little voiceover because I forgot to mention that I mixed Aussie Floetrol to this base. I mixed it at a 2-to-1 ratio. That's 2 parts British paints to 1 part Aussie Floetrol. Thanks, guys. Alrighty, now that I've got my base coat down and my open cups on the canvas, let's start making this thing pretty and add in some colour. Yew! And now we start the whole process again. Now I still actually do have a full tub of the purple, the blue and the green. But I think there's well and truly enough paint on there. So I'm not going to worry about sort of pouring those 3 on there. I'm really happy with what I'm seeing right now. And now I'm just going to do the little Angie Mason twist. So I learnt this from Angie Mason. Basically, before you sort of pull the open cup away from the actual paint itself, before it breaks the seal, you sort of do a bit of a twist. So basically you're covering the raw paint. Like so. I could have twisted a little bit further, but that's okay. I'll just do a sneak preview of the black light. Ha ha ha! Ha ha! This is gonna look wicked cool! Alrighty, let's start tilting this one out. Yes! This is sick! Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! But wait, it gets better. Let me hit it with the black light. I can't wait for this. 3, 2, 1. What? That is wicked cool! Wow! This is out of this world! You! No way! And now that we've got it propped up, what do we got to do? We got to wipe our bottom. Yes, we do. We don't want to be walking around with a dirty bottom. But as I keep saying, the main reason why we actually wipe the bottom of the canvas is so basically, see all that paint there? That's going to gather weight and actually pull off the side of the canvas. And then you will lose the composition that you've got just here. Guys, I'm super stoked with how this turned out. Yeah! And look at these hands! You know I've done something awesome when my hands look like this. Yeah! Yes! Oh, I'm so happy with how this turned out. Alrighty guys, I'd just like to take this opportunity to say thank you all so much for joining me on this episode. I tell you what, I had so much fun on this one, and a special thanks to Dave for inviting me to come play on this awesome collaboration, Pouring with the Fellas. It's such an awesome event. You! Alright guys, one more time, thank you so much. Remember, if you haven't watched all the other guys in the collab, make sure you go back and check them all out. And Mitchell Grimmer is right after me, so stay tuned. If you like what you saw here today, please hit that like button. And if you're not yet subscribed and you feel like subscribing to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little dark bell. That'll actually indicate when I upload new videos. And if you think any of your friends or family might like to see how I created this awesome painting that looks like this, please forward it on to them. I'd love for them to have a look at it as well. Alright guys, one more time, thank you so much, and this is the fine art of distraction.